Hello, today we're going to be going over a warm-up that covers congruency among figures and the coordinate plane. So first let's talk about what congruent means. Figures that are congruent are the same shape and they're the same size. When it comes to size, that means that all of the angles between the two shapes are the same and all of the side lengths between the two shapes are the same. So question number 1 says, are figures A and B congruent? What about X and Y? So if we look at A, both of these are, they look to be pentagons because they both have 5 sides. And just from a glance, it does look like if I were to rotate figure B around, I would be able to place it on top of A, and they would be the exact same shape and the exact same size. So they are congruent. Looking at X and Y, they are both triangles, but if we look, this one very clearly has a 90-degree angle, whereas I don't see one in triangle Y. Because they don't have the same angles between the two triangles, these two are not congruent. And of course, we've already discussed what congruent means. It means that two figures have the same shape and the same size. It also means that if we were to lay the two figures on top of each other, maybe having to rotate one of the figures, they would completely cover each other and completely overlap. Number 2, identify the coordinates of the points on the grid. So we're going to start there. Remember that coordinates are always written with the X value first and the Y value second. And we always start at the origin, which is in the middle, at 0, 0. So to get to the A, I have to go to positive 2 on the x-axis, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Since we go up, it's a positive 7. Now let's look at B. To get to B, I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. Left is negative, so negative 4. And then I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up is positive, so the value is positive 6. For C, doesn't appear to be a C, so we're going to move on to D. For D, we go 1, 2, 3 to the left, so negative 3, and down 1, 2, 3. Down is negative, so our ordered pair is negative 3, negative 3. For F, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right, so that's positive, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, so negative 5. Finally, point E. Starting at the origin, we do not move left or right to get to E. So the X value is 0. Then we go up 2 to positive 2. If a coordinate is on the y-axis, it has an X value of 0. If a point is on the x-axis, it has a y value of 0. Let's look at the second part of this question, which says, state which quadrant or axes where the coordinate lies. So remember, every coordinate plane has 4 quadrants, starting with 1, and then we make a C for coordinate. So 2, 3, and 4. So A is in quadrant 1, B is in quadrant 2, D is in quadrant 3, F is in quadrant 4, and E is on the y-axis. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or leave them in the comments below.